So today's project is putting a new carburetor on this GT225. This is an old, probably mid-2000s Echo Weedwacker. I got it at a yard sale for $5. It was a little stiff. Carburetor was obviously destroyed. This is what the old carburetor looked like. This is where the diaphragm went. You can see all the rust and corrosion in there. Anyway, I've already previously disassembled it. I ordered this Hutzel carburetor kit with the maintenance kit. This I found on Amazon. Seemed to be the nicest setup, and it looked like it matched perfectly. Of course, it's made in China, which I'm not real thrilled with, but it seemed to be the nicest of what they had to offer. Anyway, I got this on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this in below in the description, and let's get to work. First, let's see what we have going on here. This is one of the reasons that I ordered this kit, is it came with everything complete, including this ready-made fuel line setup with a filter already on it and the rubber grommet that seals the tank. So previously, I cleaned out the fuel tank, removed it. So let's put this in first. We're going to put a little bit of oil on this. Let me find a little. There's my WD-40. So juice it up a little bit. Push this down. You need to back off a little bit with that camera girl. You're a little too up close and personal with this. That's better. That looks good. And we got a couple just get these started. I don't know if this makes for good content or not, since I don't know how many of these GT225s are still out there and people are using them, but I've had a lot of Echo equipment and I like them, but I never had one of these. I know this is from the tag, it's a 2011 vintage. It honestly didn't appear that it had a lot of use. It looked more like it sat out in the sun a lot and just did a lot of sitting and gummed up the carburetor. But we're going to find out. This carburetor kit was only about $15, so I figured $5 for the Weedwacker and $15 for the fix. It's got good spark. So we'll see if this is good. See what the other one looks like.
See again, Mommy. Oh.
So far, this seems to be the perfect fit.
Mommy, Mommy.
Spray a little brake clean on that. hose back a little bit. Up into place. Okay, got the air filter housing cleaned up. Okay, why isn't that screwing in there? I think it's ready to add some fuel. Let's take a look at this spark plug, see what that looks like.
Mommy. Mommy.
Spark plug actually looks pretty good.
Down.
A little gas in it. Let's see what we got. And it looks like it's going to run. Will we see if it runs?
Yeah.
I guess it runs good. Nice and light.
That's awesome.
Well, if you like this video and want to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.